So in this video, you'll learn how to revert back to the default icon theme of your Samsung Galaxy phone. So if you've previously customized the icon theme and you want to take it back to default, whether you would prefer the default for the customizations that you want to make, or you're just tired of seeing too much on your screen and you want to take it back to its default state, then this is what you're going to do. You're going to start by opening the Galaxy Theme Store. Now you can do this by going to the Settings app, and then under Settings, you want to scroll and select Themes, or you can long press on an empty space on your home screen. In the home screen editor, tap on Themes. Either of these methods will redirect you to the Galaxy Theme Store. From here, you then need to tap on Menu, and then under Menu, you want to select My Stuff. Next, move to the section labeled Icons, and then you should see the current icon theme that you're using and your default theme also listed there. So you're going to select the default option, and then you're going to choose Apply and wait for it to be applied onto your device. Once it's been applied, you'll be redirected to your home screen, and you can see the changes that you had previously made to the icons theme have been successfully removed and taken back to their default state. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.